Good morning, VI planners. I bet you didn't expect to see me this morning, but I wanted to hop in this morning and give you guys a bonus deco kit demo that you are not going to get in the video tonight for our Kiss Kit demo. I'm going to be sharing with you a fun way that you can use washi tape, and I just grabbed the two new holiday ones, and then this is a journal card out of the Kiss Kit. So I'm going to show you something really simple, quick and easy, if I could find the end of my washi tape. Using, this is the board that comes on the inside of your on the inside of the Kiss Kits, the little cardstock piece. I'm going to use the back side of it. So you're actually getting to use everything inside of your kits. But I'm going to show you a fun, quick way to be able to use your washi tape inside of your planner. And it doesn't take much effort at all to do, except for getting the darn stuff open. But it adds a fun pop of color inside of your organizer. This also is a fun way to do greeting cards, and we might make a few with some washi tape here over the next month. I know some of you are not on here right now, but you can always come back and watch the replay. I do have a special that is available just to my VI planners. If we have 5 people, at least 5 people, or for every 5 people, let's just say it that way. For every 5 people that purchase a Kiss Kit, I will, oh, and here they come. I was going to try to get this video done without my crying children, but they think that when I'm talking, they need to be talking, which is unfortunate because it's hard for me to get anything out otherwise. So, like I was saying, oh, these Fosters, they're adorable, but man, they don't like it when I'm talking, because they think they need to be talking. The special for VI planners is that you, for every 5 Kiss Kits that are sold, I'll be refunding. I'll be drawing one to refund their kit. Okay? So that's it. That's all we're going to do with this. We're going to pull this up. And you can see it's just covered with tape. Then we're going to turn it around. And we're going to quickly cut the tape off. Stop. If I had sharp scissors, we would cut the tape off really quickly, but my scissors apparently don't seem to be very sharp. Stop. I literally have one crawling up my pant leg. Yes, I hear you, Rascal. I hear you, yes. Oh, he's going to be in the video here in about 30 seconds if he keeps it up. And he's going to be mad because he's going to get washi tape stuck to him. Does anybody want a kitten? Here comes the next one. Literally, you guys, they crawled up my leg to get to me, my pant leg. Okay, so you get the gist of it. I probably cut it a little bit straighter if I wasn't trying to hurry due to Well, this didn't turn out how I wanted this video to at all. I hope you guys are entertained this morning, or whenever it is that you're watching it. Okay, Then I'm just going to take this fun little journal card. I'm going to pop it right there, and that's it. Quick and easy dashboard that you can slide inside of your Tula 12 cover at a pop of color. All it took was 2 pieces of washi tape, or 2 rolls of washi tape. Oh, say hi, Rascal. Say hi. Say hi. Now get down off my desk. Again, if you purchase a kiss kit, for every 5 kiss kits that are purchased, one of the costs of the kiss kits will be refunded. I'll be posting a graphic here shortly, so hang tight. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out with me today, friends, and I'll get you back a little later. Bye-bye.